guys, so I'm very sorry for the messy room you see, but I am so eager to film these videos. I am not wasting time cleaning my room. I'm sorry. I have been waiting forever to film this. I've been wanting to watch these music videos for like ever, whenever they came out, and I haven't because I wanted to do a reaction, and it has taken a long time and a lot of self-control. So without further ado, here we go. This is EXO's Lucky One music video. Hi Dio, you look nice, I guess. That's creepy. Huh? His haircut's a bit odd. That was weird panning of the camera. What is happening to him? Oh, hello. Ah, his hair. Okay. Aw. Hey, okay. This camera moves far too fast. Oh, hi, Beckham. You sound like Suo, but I don't see you. Okay, you're not Suo, you're Chen. Hi. They all have really odd makeup, like very whitened faces. Hi. Oh, one. Oh, they have their name. Oh, I just figured that out. What's with all these, like, ladies? Hi. Random change of scenario. I like this. Oh my god. Red hair, singing. I adore him. Hi. Okay, I'm really not digging Dio's hair. Like, it just looks a bit weird. Ah, camera, just stop for like a second. What are you doing? Hi, lay. Well, he did lay down. I tried making a pun, it didn't work, sorry. And the moon? What the? We're in... Okay, I do not understand this music video. What is happening? They're being treated and then, like... What? Ice cubes. Sexy dancing Kai. That. What the hell? Okay, Dio looks creepy as hell, and why is Chanyeol the only one who, like, reacts to the blast, like, shattering? Run, I guess. She's creepy. A door. Fire. Yeah, she's really creepy. She has a good lipstick, though. Okay. What? So he just randomly decided to dance in the middle of all that, because that makes sense. Oh, his earring looks good. That made no sense. He looks good with the earring. What am I saying? Exploding heads? And then this is happening? Okay. Not complaining, but I mean, what? How weird is it being, like, singing in front of your own head? Or whatever that was, like a projection of your own... You're the lucky one. Good to know. High soul dancing. Okay, I do not understand what this, like, is supposed to be. They keep running. They're the lucky ones. Oh my goodness, it's the maze. What? No, wait, well, it's their symbol, but it's like, oh, okay, whoa. Okay. Yeah, that just happened. Well, overall, I really liked the song. I have no idea what this music video is about. I am very happy Chanyeol has red hair again. Dio's hair is terrible, and Lay looks good with an earring. Here you go. I like this song, and I'm really looking forward to reacting to the next few music videos I have to react today, as in like right now. So yes, you'll see me looking exactly like this a lot. And yeah, so see you in a second if you decide to watch the next video. Hearts, hugs and kisses. Bye.